Well, if you look closely at the golden studs only, it's the symbol of the worldwide most popular boy band group, BTS. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today, like the other KiwiCo activity, I'm just gonna tell you what this thing is, and I'm just gonna zoom away, building it, hopefully, because this is a Doodle crate instead of a Tinker crate, because the orange box one, which is uploaded actually, is a Tinker crate. This is a Doodle crate from KiwiCo. One activity. Make your own Faux, I don't know, but something, it means fake, I know that. Leather portfolio. Create a hand-stitched portfolio to hold your sketchbook. Luckily for me, I love writing and drawing, so perfect for me. Connect with Facebook, on Instagram, and on YouTube. Okay, let's open this guy up. Hey, Daddy, did you open it for me? There was a tape holding the other box, but, well, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty interesting. Stitching and assembling. So these are the, move this aside for these. This is the leather. Faux. It's fake. It's not real, but it does look like leather. Open it again. A small piece. Lots and lots of decorative pins and, whatnot. And they even give you your own sketchbook to, put in. That's neat. You guys are perfect, KiwiCo. So it looks like these are the instructions that I'm going to be having to use. Instead of those long paper ones, this is like a booklet. So it's actually more easy to read because that one was gigantic. It covered the whole table. Then you fold it to the side. There you go. And see ya when I'm finished. So this is what my finished leather, fake leather portfolio looks like. So you guys are probably wondering why I chose this specific design of gold studs, purple studs, technically navy, and blue studs. Well, if you look closely at the golden studs only, it's the symbol of the worldwide most popular boy band group, BTS. I am an army. If you guys recognize this sign right away, then you are an army. You know what BTS is. So, and BTS's normal color is purple, but I decided to go my own side and decided not to put purple studs, these little studs for their symbol, and instead I made them gold to stand out more. And for the background, I did purple, but for some reason I ran out of purple, so I kind of added some blue as well. And I added my knot at the back on all of these stud designs. And there's a pocket for pens, probably erasers, and pens for other things, you know those mini pencils that are super small. You can put those in as well. So let's first see if my sketchbook fits in. Oh, I have these pens. I reviewed one. I have a ruler and I have a pen. Hello. And I have a pencil and a paintbrush, which is somewhere in my arts and crafts bin. So you got stuck somewhere. Let's push it inside, and it fits perfectly. So when you do it, you close the lid, or top, you strap the elastic up and over. It's kind of hard. And since it kind of wounds up, I turned it around, adjusted so it's perfect. And then I kind of folded it like this, and that way it's a bit more better. And whenever you want to open it, you can just slide it off like that. And I'm not sure if my pen will fit inside, but I mean, it kind of does. So I have a small message for you guys, and BTS, if you're watching, I'm saying. Speaking about BTS, one of my favorite songs, they launched in, I believe in 2019, it's called Home. It's one of my favorites. I'm memorizing their lyrics right now. Yeah, I love that song. I love the rhythm to it. And for my final message, tiny reviewer, why did I write that? Okay, anyways, but it means the same thing, right? Tiny reviewing, I'm tiny reviewing in the middle right now. Tiny reviewing, hi, my friends. Thank you for watching Tiny Reviewer Friends, and BTS if you really are watching. I just added that for a message. So now I can open my sketchbook and see what's on my first page, and probably will spark my inspiration for another. Right now, I love it. I love it so much. And as much as I love BTS, I also love this KiwiCo. It has one of the best activities ever. So that's it for today. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on this brown table, and see you guys again in my other videos, hopefully with a new KiwiCo activity. So that's it for today. Bye.